We are at the Bilbao airport right now and we are heading to a flight. We actually have a layover in Madrid, which is good and bad. It's really not that far away, so it doesn't make sense for us to have a layover, but we're actually gonna meet up with my sister at the Madrid airport and then we're all going on the same flight. We made it! We are in Lisbon, Portugal. It was super easy. We had a layover in Madrid and now we're going to take the metro to our hostel. We are at the Arco. This is a pretty popular spot to go. There's lots of people here. It is so fantastic. It was raining before and now the sun is out. It's actually super sunny. We're just loving it. We're getting our first meal slash snack in Portugal right now. Let's look at what we got. So Sienna got a vegetable soup, yum. And Yenny also got a vegetable soup. And then we got a mushroom pizza to share. We are right near the plaza. It's actually really beautiful. It's close to the water. The weather's kind of all over the place, but we're loving it. We got the Portuguese pastries, pastéis de nata. We're going to try them now. Cheers! Cheers! Wow, that's really good. It's like a mix of, I don't know, apple pie and creme brulee maybe? Yeah. Highly recommend. We just finished hanging out at the Timeout Market. I had some gelato. There's a little market out here, so we're gonna walk around and then go to our hostel to check in. We are at our hostel. We are staying at Home Lisbon Hostel, which is actually just so cute. It's a really good hostel. We were able to check in after 3:30. We checked in a little after 5. And for the past hour, we kind of just took some naps, relaxed, got organized, and it's an amazing hostel. It's truly fantastic. This is the room that we are staying in. We're staying in an 8-bunk room. The top bunks, which is what we are staying in, are a little open spaced, but not too bad. Happy birthday to you. Oh, busted. It's a little dark out here. We had a bit of a hiccup. We were about 30 minutes late to the bar crawl and we couldn't find the group. So we booked it through Expedia, which is great. We were able to contact a virtual assistant and now they told us the exact bar to go to, so we're heading there now. Really excited. We had a fantastic dinner at the hostel and we can't wait for the bar crawl. Welcome to day 2 in Lisbon, Portugal. We honestly had such a good day yesterday. We kind of just looked at most of the tourist attractions. We relaxed and then we did a pub crawl at night. Today we are thinking we will go to LX Factory and over in that area. So it should be good. Right now we're just hanging out on the terrace. We are staying at Home Lisbon Hostel, which is a beautiful place. They have your breakfast, your dinner, and we did the dinner last night. And the vibe here is just really homey. Definitely a good spot to go. The location is key, and we are absolutely loving it. We can't wait to take you along with us for day 2. left the LX factory. Good food, good vibes. Now we'll get back to our hostel, get changed. We're going to a Fado dinner tonight. Fado is like the Portuguese music. It's gonna be amazing. Right now it is in fact really seriously raining. We did just watch someone slip and fall down the hill because Lisbon's very steep. We walked all the way up to the Castelo de Esporre, and our goal was to see a viewpoint. We weren't actually getting tickets to the castle. It's about 15 euros if you did want tickets. Yeah, it's closed, and you actually do need access into the castle to get the viewpoint. It's kind of a flop, and it's really, really raining. We're gonna walk around more.
Welcome to day 3, and we are currently at the reception brunch. We just got breakfast food. I got some eggs and toast, Sienna got the avocado toast, and Leo got some pancakes, and they'll be heading to Porto today, and then Yenny and I will finish our day in Lisbon and then head back to Milan.
Com 7 pedras na mão, só porque falo a verdade.
We are on day 3. We decided to just walk around the square and go to some of the busy streets. We're just gonna chill, relax, and have Vegas tonight. So we're gonna enjoy the day and see how it feels. Officially going to the airport. We're going to take 2 metros back. And there's the arch. We're sad to leave, but it was a great trip. And thanks for watching.